Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. The window will pop up here, what version you have up here. And then we'll jump into the last one, which is batch print. Very similar to the summary, you can go in and load several documents, whatever those might be, different projects, different phases. Those are all going to be in different folders. You can load all of those just like the other tools and then come in here. Maybe you just want to combine them all into one PDF. You can select your Bluebeam PDF, print it to a new PDF, or select whatever printer you might have in your office if you're printing that to a paper document. So that is our batch print. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.